Now the preacher went out walking, 'twas on one Sunday morn. 'Twas against his religion, but he took his gun along. Shot himself some mighty fine quail and one little measly hare. On his way returning home, he met a great big grizzly bear. Now the bear got down in the middle of the road, on all fours like a great big toad. He looked at the preacher right smack in the eye. The preacher looked at him and said bye-bye. They started down the road, they took off to run. The bear right after that preacher did come. They ran and they ran for about a mile. They both sat down and rested a while. The preacher got up and then he started again. The bear he started out with more vim. They ran and they ran till he spied a tree. Said up on a limb is the place for me. The bear got hold, made a grab for him. The preacher leaped up and he made a limb. Pulled himself up and he turned about. Cast his eyes to the skies and he did shout, "Oh Lord, didn't you deliver Daniel from the lion's den? Also, didn't you deliver Jonah from the belly of the whale? Then 3 Hebrew children from the fiery furnace? So the good book do declare, yeah, Lord, if you can't help me, for goodness sake, don't help that bear." Just about then the limb let go, the preacher came tumbling down. Slipped in his pocket to pull his razor out just before he hit the ground. He hit the ground with an awful bang, it was a terrible sight. What with the preacher and the bear with a razor in his hair, just a cutting left and right. Now they rolled around on the ground. The preacher was up and then he was down. The bear let out with an awful moan, sounded like the preacher was a hole in his own. Said, "Lord, if I get out of here alive, by that good book I will abide. I'll never sin on Sabbath day. Sunday come, I'll pray and pray." Up to the heavens he did glance. He said, "Lord, give me just one more chance." And his suspenders gave away. He knocked that bear 10 feet away. Preacher got up and then he made a round to find a tree where he'd be safe and sound. Pulled himself up and he turned about, cast his eyes to the skies and he did shout, "Oh Lord, didn't you deliver Daniel from the lion's den? Also, didn't you deliver Jonah from the belly of the whale? And then 3 Hebrew children from the fiery furnace? So the good book do declare, yeah, Lord, if you can't help me, for goodness sake, don't help that bear."